here with Hopi Haza, and we're going to interview her about what she knows about the rabies virus. So Hope, thank you for joining us today.
Thank you.
So tell us what you know about the rabies virus. Who gets affected by the rabies virus?
I think mostly like animals, like rabbits, raccoons, dogs, and they have to and like maybe even possums, stuff like that.
Do you know what part of the body rabies affects?
I think it's the mouth, because don't they foam at the mouth? I don't know. The mind makes them go crazy.
You know a lot about rabies. That's good.
Go.
Okay, so what you guys know about rabies? Wild animals have it. Who could get vaccinated for it? Animals and humans can get vaccinated. What part of the body does rabies affect?
Central nervous system.
The central nervous system and the brain. So it attacks the nervous system and the brain, and it's transmitted by a bite from an animal. And when the virus enters the body, it spreads first to the spinal cord and then the brain. And then after it's pushed in the brain, the virus travels to many locations of the body.
So just in case you couldn't hear what I was asking the ambulance people outside, I asked them what they know about rabies, and the man said that it comes from animals. And I asked them what part of the body does rabies affect, and the woman said the central nervous system, and also the man said that, but they did not know that it also affects the brain also. So, and I explained to them that rabies is a virus that attacks the nervous system and brain. It is transmitted by a bite from an animal. When the virus enters the body, it first spreads to the spinal cord and onto the brain. After replication in the brain, the virus travels to many locations of the body.
This is the rabies virus, and I'm going to describe every component of it. So, these green sticks are the glycoprotein, and on the inside, the blue is the nucleoprotein, and then the red things are the RNA, and then this thin layer right here is the matrix protein. What do you know about rabies?
I know that one can get rabies from a bite from an animal that is infected with rabies. And the animals can vary from bats, dogs, rats, bears, animals like that.
Okay, who is infected by rabies? Who can get infected, or what?
Anyone that gets bitten by an infected animal.
Okay. What part of the body does rabies affect?
I would think your neural system.
Okay. Well, the central nervous system is affected.
Right.
So yes. And animals and humans are both affected by rabies. And then just some extra information about the rabies virus is that for the nucleic acid, it is a single negative stranded ribonucleic acid RNA genome. And some viral attachment proteins consist of ribonucleic proteins, nucleoproteins, glycoproteins, matrix proteins, and those are just some things about the rabies virus.
Get vaccinated for rabies.
I would think that one that would get treated would be humans that get bitten by an infected animal.
People and humans can get vaccinated for rabies. If a person becomes infected with rabies, they will receive a course of rabies immune globulin and 5 doses of the vaccine. What do you think some risks of the vaccination of rabies are?
Seizures, heart problems.
Well, there are mild side effects from the rabies vaccine, and they include a sore arm, a headache, nausea, or vomiting. People should get vaccinated for rabies just, to increase immunity. Once symptoms of rabies appear, however, there is no treatment, but it can be given after exposure. To learn more about rabies, you can go to cdc.gov/rabies, mayoclinic.com, or nlm.nih.gov.